There's the swimming pool. There's a hot tub over on the far end there. The hot tub is actually available. I did bring my swimming trunks, but we're parked back here. There's where we're parked. And gosh, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Last night it was dark when we got here. We couldn't see that, but we could see there was a light at the top. We could tell that, so we kind of figured there was something there, but there it is. Cool. Well, we're getting ready. We're about to hop in and go to Arches National Park. So, hopping in the vehicle. All right, well, I'm in the vehicle. My brother ran it back into the condo to grab some chips. Forgot to grab that. Didn't want to have those with. But anyways, this is our 2022 winter road trip. It's January 6, 2022. in Moab, Utah right now, and we're going to Arches National Park today. So, it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. We already looked that way, but let's look again. Blue sky, looks like. Oh, well, some clouds, but supposed to be like in the forecast is like in the 50s the whole time we're here. So in southern Utah, that's what it looks like around right now. But he'll be yeah, he's coming out right now. So all right, we're going to be heading into Arches National Park in a little bit here. Okay, we are in Arches National Park right now. This is the visitor center parking lot right here. There's a visitor center there. I'll walk around and look around here for a little bit. In summertime, heat is a very big issue here at Arches National Park. There we go. Let's take a look around here. Extraordinary arches and awe-inspiring landscapes. Let's look here. What to do at Arches? See, where are we? Okay, we're way down here. I'm gonna go in. I don't know. My brother's inside. He has the map. He's gonna talk to rangers and kind of get an idea what we can kind of do today. Yeah, sightseeing, yes, we will do that. And we're probably going to be doing some walking too, some just short, easy hikes. We got several of those. I don't think we're going to picnic, maybe. We'll see. I already have my sandwiches made. I made some for yesterday, but then never ate them. So I have them for today. My brother did not make anything. And won't be camping today. We won't be biking. I won't be doing that either, but sightseeing and doing a few short hikes is what we're going to be doing. Park features balanced rock spires and pinnacles, whimsical formations, and vast petrified dunes. Wow. Park Avenue Courthouse Highs. Great. Wow, you see there's a lot of things to come and see here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, apparently have a bighorn sheep here. Oh wow, look at that. They have payphones here too. Rarely ever see them anymore. No, no. No. What if they're functional? Try this one. Yep. This one has dial tone. The other one did not. Oh, still nothing. Wow, man, that's old school. Probably don't have those activated right now. Nope. Here's the wildlife they have here. Golden eagle. Jays. Bright blue of scrub jays. Scrub jays? Wow. And of course, we got mule deer. Also called black-tailed deer. But mule deer because of those ears. And we got the coyote. And yes, they have bighorn sheep. Not seen often. There's a small population does exist. Of course, then we got our reptiles or lizards. Ooh, a collared lizard. And ravens. Closely related to crows, but much larger. Climbing and canyoneering. We're gonna do some climbing. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. So I'm guessing the canyoneering is just like going in the canyons. Not actually climbing rocks, but that's what I'm guessing anyhow. Colorado Plateau Attraction. Okay, so the Colorado Plateau, 130,000 square miles. Wow. Arizona, Utah, Colorado, and New Mexico. Okay. So that's the Colorado Plateau. Just different distances between location. There it is, the Colorado Plateau. Man. Of course, we're here right now. And I think we're going to go to Canyonlands tomorrow. And we're also, at some point in this trip, we plan on hitting Bryce Canyon and Zion too. If we have time, hopefully we can make it down to Grand Canyon. We'll have to see. Well, I know we're going to go through here for sure. We'll see what happens. Went there yesterday. Yeah, look at all that. Definitely could spend the entire summer just in this area going to all these and still not hit them all. Heck, if summer even take a whole year. In wintertime is not all that bad. Wow. Man alive. Amazing. This just tells Canyon Country within a day's drive of Arches National Park. You got it different places to go. State parks, scenic byways. Wow, look at all that. Recreation areas. Man alive. It's amazing. Gosh. There's abundance of things to do around here in this area. Holy cow. There's the park trails. Lists all of them there. That shows a map of where they all are. And we'll probably be doing a couple of them, a few of them. I looked at all those. Kind of like a landscape in here. Sand to sagebrush. Oh, that view. There's the snow. The snow in the shade of the side. And then on the sunny side, no snow. And the road out there, that's 191. It goes right back to the park. And of course the road that goes into the park goes around here, and we're going up and away. Looks like that's it up there. But in a little while here, we're gonna head into the park. Arches National Park in Utah.